guys, we are now at Durban International Airport. So hi guys, we are now at the International Durban Airport. We are on the way to Morocco and we're just waiting for the counter to...
Mountains or Savannah in Marrakech, one of the places, and also the Sahara. But now I think it's very hot.
Brush teeth, cooking, water?
Yes, we're doing it. Yes,
okay.
Yeah, we're doing that. So because it's very expensive to for Morocco.
Hey babes, we are now in Morocco. It's so nice and cozy here. Just gonna show you upstairs. So this is upstairs. You can come and sit here, have your breakfast. What's the time here now? 6, 7?
What was it?
Oh, it's already 8:30 and it's still daylight.
Here. There's a shower inside there with hot and cold. You can get cool.
Yeah.
At night it's raining. It's cold.
So over there you can hear that's the main square, the Souk. I really like this setting here. Look, this is good for Instagram photos. Huh? Oh yeah, so pretty. So this is a really cute riad, guys. It's quite affordable as well. Good morning babes! Today is our second day in Marrakech, Morocco. We arrived yesterday and in the evening, so we didn't really do anything because it was so tiring. It was such a long flight from South Africa. And so we're just on the terrace now. We're gonna have our breakfast, first breakfast in Morocco. It's so pretty here. Take a look guys. So here's the setup of our breakfast. This is so pretty. This is my bag and this is what it looks like here. Such a beautiful day today guys. It's so unbelievable. Where? Can't see from here. Oh my god, this is a big gecko guys. Look at this.
They feed them all the flies and stuff.
Wow. Good morning guys. Welcome to Marrakech, Morocco. It's our first morning here. We're just having breakfast at Riyadh El Bilal. So this is their terrace and this is the setup of our breakfast. And yeah, so I hope you'll enjoy this vlog and I'll see you soon. Hey guys, we are now here in Medina. We're just touring around the market. Square, like the main square. Marrakech, come follow me around.
Okay, so we are now at the square It is super duper hot.
Not too close to my face.
It's a video, dear.
I know, it's too close. Guys, we don't really know the name of the street because we're just walking around Medina. Hey guys, so we're still walking around Medina. It's really hot now and it's a little bit crowded. It's so pretty here though. It's so beautiful. I just want to point out to you guys that actually I won't say it now. I'll say it later when it's inappropriate location.
Okay, so we're walking down yet another Moroccan street because we
Not
got.
exposed?
Forget about the exposed. Just get in the moment.
I don't want it exposed.
Ah, you kill the moment.
Sorry, I said it again.
So we're walking down yet another Moroccan street. This one is not too sketchy with a dead end.
Got the horses take a video.
Yeah, because little rabbit got very scared.
So we finally found a restaurant to eat.
Stop slapping my neck.
Hey guys, so here's my avocado shake with milk. This is my favorite. So here's our food. Mine is Tagine chicken with fries, and my baby's having beef,
Lamb tangine.
lamb. So we've been trying to load some data on our 3G Morocco Telecom. This is the instruction in English. This one here. So the problem is it's not working. I don't know why. But as soon as you call the 555 number, it only has French and Arabic.